Hi, it's Jaganathan from CAC 510. I'm here to show a demo on how GitHub Hooks works. So let's get started. So I have my system ready with Git and I'm going to create a local repository right now. So I'm starting from the basics here, creating a folder which will be my local repository. I'm naming it as HW0. So right now this has nothing inside, and in order to initialize this as my local repository I need to open bash, git bash. I open that and I type git init. So we're already inside that folder. As you can see, the path is there, and I'm initializing this HW0 as my local repository now. It's done. So once it is initialized, let's just go check what's inside the folder. So we see a .git hidden folder which has several subfolders, and there we go. There we see hooks for the hooks folder there. Inside the hooks folder you can see some samples already being there. So let's try creating a post commit hook now. I'm gonna do that by creating a file. So under the name post commit, and I'm gonna add some comment to that, which I'm gonna add a piece of code which will open a browser, which will open a link in a browser. So yes, for the sake of convenience I've already typed this small piece of code. So I've initialized the shell command. Now I'm saving this thing. It's saved. So yeah, so I've created a post commit file inside the hooks folder, and I'm just gonna make a small change. I'm gonna add a file called readme.md to the repository, and I'm gonna add some comments there so that there's something inside the repository. I just don't want the repository to be empty, right? So hi there, I am adding this file to make a comment. So there we go, I'm saving this file. Yeah, so what I've done right now is I've created a local repository. Inside that I've created a readme file, and inside the git folder I've created, and inside the hooks folder I've created a post commit file which has some code written in that, right? So I'm gonna let it be there. So I'm gonna see the status of my repository now. So as you can see, there's a readme file which is not yet added to our repository. So let's just add that git add space dot. So this command will add our readme file into the repository. Will add that. Yeah, so now it's added. Let's commit the change that we made with the small message saying testing hooks. So when I press enter, the change is going to get committed, and the post commit file will be executed. So inside the post commit file there is a small piece of code that says start google.com, right? So which means google.com will be opened in my default browser, which is Chrome. So I'm going to press enter now, and we'll see what happens. So there we go. We see google.com getting opened up on entering, and we see that there's one file changed, there's one insertion made. Yeah, so that's how post commit hooks work on making a commit. So thank you for watching. If there's any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Thank you once again.